What's up, home slice? Lucas here. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can learn to do continuous kip-ups, also known as rubber bands, in only 5 minutes. Pay attention. By the end of this video, you can be kipping your way up continuously around town. But you gotta focus. Forgive my voice, I've been yelling a lot, making a stupid video. Prerequisites, I want you to be able to do a kip-up, at least a low one, because continuous kip-ups require you landing a low kip-up. If you want to check out my video on how to do a kip-up very quickly, check that out. I compile all of my tips that I've taught over the years, and they're all there. The ones that I think will help you learn it under 5 minutes. Check that out. Let's get started. You might want to put down something soft. That couch cushion is actually too small for me, so I'm just going to use the ground and show you guys. What I want you to do is sit like this. First minute, you're going to roll to your back to your shoulders, okay? Then you're going to kick up with your legs, and you don't need to use your hands in the back like a kip up. You can if you want to, but you don't need to, because we're just gonna go straight up. And then when we come down, instead of keeping our legs straight and just smacking our back into the ground, what I want you to do is when you come down, I want you to use your body like a spring. So when you come down, you're gonna spring and contract those legs, and you're gonna notice there shouldn't be much of an impact on the ground. You shouldn't feel like shaking up or anything. You should just be smooth motion. Start really slow so you're not jolting around at first. Okay, it looks kind of weird, but just do it. And then kick harder and absorb it. See, I'm absorbing it. I'm not allowing myself just to go bam. I'm bringing my legs in and absorbing it. Instead of like this, I want you to do this. See that? Moving on to minute 2, all right? Minute 2, what I want you to do is work on your kip up, but I want you to work on actually not kipping up all the way, because it's a lot easier if you don't kip up to a full vertical. What do I mean? So you can already do a kip up. You can kip up to a vertical. I just want you to kip basically to like almost a 45 like this, and then sit down slow, roll to your back. Go like this, low kip up butt. Low kip up butt. Low kip up butt. Work on that for the next minute. Moving on to minute 3. Jumping back is the scariest part, but it doesn't have to be with this little hack. Watch this. My dominant side is my left side. So I'm gonna put my left forearm down on the ground like this. Okay, see, I'm in like a bridge-like position. All right, I'm putting it with my hand facing back. Okay, what I'm gonna do, sit up, fall back to that hand. Sit up, fall back like this. Then sit up, fall back, roll to my shoulders like that. So I just fell back and then I rolled. Watch it from the back. It's a little weird. You've probably never seen it before. The back and roll, just like that. You don't just have to go for stuff all the time. You can slowly progress with these weird little hacks. Arm, roll. And then I'm gonna start to get more jumpy, like that. See that? See how I jumped right into that arm and rolled? But I absorbed it all. Ready? Boom. Boom. Up. Boom. That is such a hack, okay? It doesn't even feel like I'm jumping backwards. It feels like I'm jumping to the side and then rolling. If you're afraid of jumping backwards because you're like, dude, I'm just gonna hit my head, do this. I mean, this is seriously what I do to this day if I'm like, oh, sketchy at the first one, okay? The last 2 minutes, we gotta pull this together. You're gonna do a low kip up and then you're gonna go into that roll. Check it out, bro. Low kip up, roll. Okay, low kip up, roll. You see that? What? That little hack roll makes this move so easy. So practice maybe that for like a minute. Final minute here. Let's go over the hand motion. So the hands and the arm motion basically just work with your kip up and work on the way down. Just like on the way down is just like on the way up, it's just the opposite. The fear of going backwards is usually the most hard part for this move, so try the little arm hack with the roll. It change the way you do this, make it so much easier. Now that we got everything down and you're gonna start actually doing them continuously with your hands, a little way I'd recommend doing it if you just wanna like make yourself know that you got this move in the bag, okay? You got this move. One thing you can do is start with the little arm hack at first and slowly evolve it into just using your hands. Watch how I do it, okay? It's a little workout, but it works. Watch, ready? Arm roll. Now try to go back to hands. Now remember, take it slowly, practice at your own risk. I hope this video helped you all out. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, more videos coming out. Peace, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.